Today we're going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor on a 2000 Toyota Camry. That sensor is located right over here. That's where your air filter would go. And you have two screws, one here and one here, to unscrew this sensor. This car is experiencing a very high idle. That wouldn't come down. It's around 2,000 RPM. So I'm going to try and clean this sensor and see if that have any effect on it. All right, to do this, you must take the sensor out, right, by removing these two screws. And before you remove them, unclip the harness by depressing this piece right here and pull it out. I have already loosened the sensor. As you can see, it's wobbly. All right, take it off. Make sure you don't lose these screws. It'd be excellent if you had a magnetic type screwdriver. And once you loosen that, just wiggle it out and you have the sensor out. Okay, the sensor is actually up in here. Don't drop it like I did, because it's very delicate. If you can see, there's a wire. Let me place this down so I can point this out to you. Right up in here is a wire. Do not touch that wire because it's very delicate. And that's what we're going to be spraying to clean with this CRC special cleaner for mass airflow. I'm going to hold it right here on top of this box because I can't spray and hold it at the same time. Okay, to tell you the truth, this sensor didn't look dirty. Once you're satisfied that it's clean, just air it out. For a few minutes. Don't wipe it or anything. Just let it air dry, because this solvent will dry quickly and leaving no residue. When you're done, place it back in the hole. Once it's back in, you can replace your screws. With the two screws in place, I shall go ahead and tighten it down. Tighten the two screws down. And then plug in the harness. Line it up. Slide it in until you hear it snap, just like that. Test it, it won't come out. With everything back in place, I should now fire the engine up. The idles right up and drop back down. Just a little bit below 1,000. Nice smooth idle. The function of the mass airflow is to measure the volume of air entering the engine to be mixed with the fuel for a proper burn. With your flow of air, to get a good burn, you need a specific amount of fuel. So this mass airflow sends a signal to the computer, and the ECU, the computer, will deliver a certain amount of fuel via the injectors into the engine for proper burn. If this sensor is bad or dirty, it can give the wrong signal, which can cause your engine to burn more fuel and not run properly, amongst other things.